Oh goody, it's here. Alright guys, good news. My ramps finally came in today. So I have it right here. I just need to open it up. Alright, let's open this thing. Oh, they really taped this up pretty well. Tape here, all tape all along all the edges. They really didn't want to lose this. Alright. Nice big bag of air. Little instructions. Ramps 1.4 assembled. I'm not going to bother trying to make my own on this one. I just want to get my thing working so I can make my own stuff now. 1 pound of natural PLA. Oh cool. Gave me samples of some translucent neon green and transparent turquoise blue. Wonderful. Yay, I got more colors. That's perfect. PLA samples. And that could be handy. USB A to USB B converter. So let's check out this ramps because this is the most important thing I want to check out. This is what I needed. They're working. Aha. Tape along the sides. Tape is no match for a sharp pointy metal object. Of course, we need... Ooh, nice, it gave me schematics. Perfect. Bill of materials. Perfect. Cool. Connectors and switches. Perfect. That will work out nicely. Nice big connector. Pardon moi. Totally sealed with a stack bag. And I'm really gonna hate it. Just rip this. He has not such a either. Here's all about it. And these scissors for a blade. And there's no blade. Got a message. Okay, that was a power connector. Fully assembled. Arduino Omega. Arduino CC, the main in Italia. Okay. D1098. Let's just put that. stickers for open source. Cool. Alright, so for the next few days, I will be putting all this stuff together and trying to get it working. I'll clean up this mess over here so I can get that over there. So I haven't even powered this thing up yet, but I already did a mod to it. I added some standoffs onto here to raise it up off any electroconductive surface and everything. It's just safer. I did have a small hiccup on this corner. It is zooming slowly. Focus, focus. Dang it. I'm gonna have to zoom in on this one. I did have a little hiccup on this particular screw right here. That's next to the USB connector. I actually had to shave off a little. I actually had to shave off a little portion right here, and a little bit of the plastic on this pin, so that the screw would sit flat. That's the only major mod I had to do on this, but it's now sitting flat. If you look at the bottom, none of the connectors are touching any conductive surface, which is good, especially here, which is very important. Sorry about the zoom move, but in the morning I will start getting this thing all set up and ready to go to be tested and everything, and I'll start by just trying to get one servo rotating and see if that works, and hopefully that will work fine. Alright, good night everyone.